So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to have single line spacing on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and type in the word single right here, copy and paste it a few times just like this, the line spacing is going to be what it is here. So I have line spacing. If you want to go ahead and change this, you can highlight the text right here. Go to this top right area to where it says line and paragraph spacing and make sure that single spacing is selected right there. And all of a sudden your spacing is single. So if I were to go ahead and type that, it'll stay the same. If that's not showing up, you can go to the top here, press format, go to where it says line and paragraph spacing, select single, or if you want to go to custom spacing right here, you can simply just type in 1, then press apply, and then single spacing will be applied once again that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to have single line spacing on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.